Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds TCL with your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And now we can turn on the headphones and enter to pairing mode. So, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically. And you know it by the LED light right here was blinking, right here. It was blinking white and blue. And now we see them as a device list. If your headphones already connected with some device, you can or disconnect them from the phone, or you can press and hold touch area at the right earbud for at least 5 seconds. Touch area located at the back side. Right here we have TCL, this one is touch control. So press and hold it until you will hear the prompt and this LED light start blinking white and blue like what I have right now. Now we can pair them, so click connect near to your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.